Welcome back to Crafted Wood Studio. We are thrilled to have you join us on another episode where we dive into the spectacular journey of woodworking, where nature beautifully meets craftsmanship. Today's focus is on celebrating the elegance and beauty of nature through the art of woodworking. We will explore, in great detail, how to create a stunning wooden cutting board, a functional kitchen item that can, in its own right, become a piece of art displayed in your home. When we think about creating a wooden cutting board, it's crucial to consider the incredible beauty derived from natural materials. Each piece of wood is unique and tells its own story. Whether it's the diverse, intricate grain patterns of oak, the sumptuous, warm tones of cherry, or the sturdy, reliable nature of maple, each wood has its character. Imagine the texture beneath your fingers as you work, feel the warmth of the earth within every slice you make, and consider how these properties can enhance your overall cooking experience. Wood is not only a functional material in the kitchen, it embodies a sense of nature's elegance and tranquility. So, let us embark on this creative journey together, exploring how we can weave natural elements into our designs. Choosing the right wood. First things first, let's discuss one of the most critical steps, choosing the right wood for your cutting board. Hardwoods are generally the go-to choice for crafting durable and reliable cutting boards, as they are resistant to scratches and warping. Some of the most popular options that woodworking enthusiasts often consider include walnut, maple, and cherry. Walnut, with its dark, rich hues, adds an element of luxury and sophistication to your kitchen decor. The grain of walnut is distinctive and beautiful, making it a favorite choice for many woodworkers. On the other hand, maple brings a classic look, with its light, creamy tones that brighten up your workspace. It's also one of the hardest domestic hardwoods, ensuring that your cutting board will withstand years of use. Additionally, you have the delightful option of mixing different types of wood to create eye-catching patterns. One fun design idea is to create a checkerboard pattern, where contrasting types of wood alternate in a dramatic array. This not only enhances the visual interest of your kitchen but also serves as a testament to your creativity and craftsmanship. Design inspirations. Now that we've selected our materials, let's delve into some inspiring design ideas. A popular choice among woodworkers is the end grain cutting board. It's aesthetically pleasing and, perhaps more importantly, it's also gentle on your knives. The end grain pattern showcases the beautiful circular growth rings of the wood, bringing forth its natural beauty in a way that few other designs do. Another creative idea is to incorporate shapes inspired by the beauty of the natural world. For example, consider designing a board in the shape of a leaf, or mimicking the form of a tree trunk. These organic shapes celebrate the theme of nature, and they can easily become a conversation starter in any kitchen. You may also want to enhance your cutting board by engraving a meaningful quote, a significant date, or a personal logo into the wood. This simple yet effective touch adds a personal flair and transforms a mundane cutting board into a cherished keepsake that holds sentimental value. Crafting techniques. Let's move on to the exciting crafting techniques. Once your design has been carefully sketched out, the next step is cutting the wood to size. Leveraging a quality saw is imperative, and safety gear, including goggles and gloves, should always be worn during this process to protect yourself while working. After cutting, it's essential to sand the edges and surfaces of your cutting board. Sanding the wood not only smooths out any rough spots, but it also enhances the natural beauty of the wood grain. It's advisable to start with a coarser grit sandpaper and progressively move to finer grits for a polished, professional finish. Once you're satisfied with the results of your sanding, it's time to apply a food-safe finish. You have several options to choose from, but natural oils such as mineral oil or beeswax are highly recommended. These nourishing finishes protect the wood from drying out, keeping your cutting board looking beautiful and prolonging its lifespan. As your cutting board takes shape, consider adding unique touches that reflect your personality. Perhaps you could integrate inlays made from contrasting woods that offer a pop of color and depth to the design. If you're feeling especially adventurous, think about creating a dual-purpose board. One side could be designated for cutting, while the other side could serve as an elegant serving platter for cheese or charcuterie. This practicality adds a layer of functionality and style to your kitchen. For those who enjoy a bit more flair, consider customizing your board with laser engraving. By utilizing a laser engraver, you can create intricate designs, personalized messages, or even beautiful artwork that makes your cutting board truly one of a kind. This can turn it into a remarkable gift, or even a family heirloom to be passed down through generations. Caring for your cutting board. Once your cutting board is complete, it's essential to treat it with care to ensure its longevity. When it comes to cleaning, always wash the board with warm, soapy water and avoid soaking it in the sink. This will help prevent the wood from warping and maintain its structure over time. After cleaning, be sure to dry your cutting board thoroughly. To help maintain its finish and keep the wood looking vibrant, oil your cutting board regularly, especially when you notice it's starting to look dry. This simple maintenance step will keep your board in pristine condition, ready for all your culinary adventures. Embracing creativity. As we wrap up today's episode, it's important to remember that creating a wooden cutting board is about more than just the final product, it's about the entire creative process. This journey of discovery, creativity, and connection with nature brings into focus how every slice of wood, every unique grain pattern, and every design choice reflects your personal style and passion for craftsmanship. So, don't hesitate to let your imagination run wild. Embrace the process, and regard each step as an opportunity to bring your vision to life. Whether you're making the cutting board for yourself or as a thoughtful gift for someone special, rest assured that your creation will not only be functional but will also serve as a stunning piece of art that celebrates the beauty of nature right in your home. If you found this exploration of design ideas enjoyable, please give us a thumbs up. We would love to hear your thoughts, tips, or any ideas you may have. Feel free to drop them in the comments below. Your engagement means everything to us, and we treasure the opportunity to connect with you. And don't forget to subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio for more woodworking adventures, insights, and inspiration. Until next time, happy crafting, and may your woodworking journey be filled with joy and creativity.